much candy in the microwave. Let's open it up. Whoa! That's a lot of candy. Let's make some toy surprises with our candy. Whoa! The Fizzy Toy Show. Hi everyone. Welcome to the Fizzy Toy Show and welcome to our big toy surprise candy microwave show. We're going to put different colors of candy in this microwave and see what it cooks up. Let's put in a red Kit Kat, red PEZ, and a red gumball. Wow, let's see what we got. We got a Mickey Mouse PEZ dispenser. He's red. And we got a Paw Patrol Mashem. Let's see who we got. It looks like we got Chase. And Chase is wearing blue. Let's give him a good squish. And another squish. Whoa, so stretchy. He gets a 7 on the squish meter. Now let's put in a bunch of blue gumballs. What did we get? It's Bruce from Finding Nemo, and he has a blue PEZ dispenser.
How you doing? Nice to see you. Ho ho ho, swimming along, swimming along.
And we got a Squinkies Dewdrops Mystery Villa. The house is blue, just like our gumballs are blue. Let's see what Squinkies we got. Our first Squinky is... It's a Dew, and it's the Brady Dew. Now what little Squinkies will we get to put this braided dew on? We found a little girl and she's wearing a red scarf and a yellow coat. Let's put our purple Brady dew on her. And we got the mushroom. Whoa, look how big this one is. Do you think it would look good if it had a little braided dew on it? That is so silly. Let's put yellow PEZ and yellow gumballs in here. I'm feeling crazy. Let's also put some purple PEZ in here. Let's see what it makes. See purple and yellow in there. What did we get? We got a Guy Diamond Troll PEZ dispenser. He's purple. It's a purple blind bag. Littlest Pet Shop. Fun and games. Let's see what little critter we got. We got this beautiful pink swan. Let's go ahead and put her deco bit on. It's a little pink bow. Look how super cute this little pink swan is. And she comes with her own little pond to swim around in. And I see something yellow back here. It's a yellow Belle PEZ dispenser. Look how pretty she is. I wonder if Belle has any candy for us. She does. A little pink piece of PEZ. I want to try an experiment. I'm going to try white gumballs. And I'm going to mix them with a blue gumball and a green gumball. Let's see what this makes. It looks like the white mixed with the green to make a light green jasmine PEZ dispenser. Look how pretty she is. I love this color. Now, does Jasmine have candy for us? Yes, she does. Thank you, Jasmine. And this just popped right out of the microwave. The blue and white made light blue, and it made a season 6 Shopkins jar. Let's see what food we got. Our first Shopkin is... It's Bethany broccoli. What a cute little piece of broccoli. Our little recipe book is for Veronica Veggie Pizza. So delicious. And our second Shopkin is... It's the ultra rare Barbie breakfast muffin. Look how delicious this little breakfast muffin looks. Hey guys, if you want to see more candy and toy microwave surprises, go check out Fizzy Fun Toys. There's a new video there right now. You can click the link right here. Ooh, so much fun! Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like it and give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye guys. Bye-bye. Oh no! What did Queen Chrysalis do? Now none of the